Actually, I'm so happy that I'm actually back to my owners. I'm back to being the barn cat. Oh, donkey. Oh, hey, little guy. Let's see if the donkey wants to, Cool. It's a little mouse. I'm gonna get that mouse. Okay. There it is. I need to get it. Man, this mouse is fast. I'm trying to get it. She was running away from the farm and wouldn't know how to get back. Ah, the mouse is gone. Wait. Where's the farm? Oh no. I think I'm lost. I can't find my owners. I need to get back to the farm to be the farm cat, but oh no. I've never wandered this far. I wonder where my owners are and the farm is. I wonder if they're looking for me. Where is Bella? I've been looking all over. I looked at the farm. I looked here. She usually comes here and gets bread sometimes, and Bella, where are you? I need to start putting posters up. Bella. She's not anywhere. I hope she's okay. I need to start putting posters. Poster here. Lost cat Bella. Please be found. Okay, I'll put it there. On here. And one on the tree. Hey, let me maybe ask these people. Hi, I'm sorry to bother you, but, do you know where my, cat is? Her name is Bella. She's, she's a really nice cat. She's like gray and white. Have you seen her? No, sorry. Okay, thank you anyway. Ugh, they did not see her. Man, I wonder where Bella is. Let me put a poster here too. Where are you? Come back. I wonder if my owner's looking for me. Hopefully she is. I'm so hungry. Houses. And it's getting late. I should maybe head in. I've never been in this part of this place, so I have no idea where my owner is. Oh, look at this place. Ooh, a nice little shed. Maybe I could sleep here for the night. Well, I'm kind of hungry. I need to find some food. Maybe let me go in here. Fire. Hey, look, there's a cat. Get it out of here. Ah. Run, 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 run. Well, they don't like cats. What's this? Ooh, it's a saw. I do not like that. Maybe I can ask some animal if they know where my home is. A house! Finally, some water. Finally. I've been running so much today that I need a lot of water. It's nice in here. I guess I can wait out. There's no one living in here. I guess I can just stay here until someone finds me. No, I have to keep going. I need to find my owner. Maybe let's go this way and see if there's anybody here. I just need to find the town, and then I know my way back. To the barn. Maybe let's go this way. Hopefully I am getting close to where I live. Hey guys, quick pause. If you guys are enjoying the series, leave a like down below because I kind of like it. But yeah. And if you guys like the stablemates, comment down below and I will do more videos if you guys like it. But yeah, back to the video. Maybe let's come up here. Hopefully I don't encounter wild animals because, especially wolves. It's the town! It's the town, it's the town! I know where I am now! Oh my goodness, it's the town, it's the town! I know where I am now! Wait. That picture looks like me. Maybe that's my owner putting it up and she's, trying to tell people where I live. Wait. Now I'm stuck. Got this cat. Hey, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What happened? Where am I? Oh, I'm still in the town. Okay, good. There's a wolf. I'm out of here. Okay, if I'm certain, I know a dog. Run! It's a dog. Wait, no. If I'm certain, I know. Hey, look, there's That's not my owner. There's a bird. Cat. I gotta get out of here. There's a bird in there, and I do not like birds. I'm getting out of here. I know. This is the farm. I know it. The farm! Yes, I'm back. The farm! My old friend! Remember me? Oh my, you're back! I didn't even know. Yeah. My owner! Bella! Oh, hi, girl. Oh, Bella. What in the world? I'm trying to see my cat horse. Oh, Bella. I'm so happy you're back. Aw. Oh, cute little cow. I'm so happy you're back, Bella. Well, if you like and subscribe, guys, and comment down below if you guys like this video. And if this cow's so cute, because look how cute he is. Aww.